Now the show will start soon. Puro na ng tao guys. So, isa na Muscat Fashion Week. Nandito tayo ngayon sa may Opera House kasi today is Fashion Week and the fashion show will start in 3 hours, 7 o'clock in the afternoon. We are already preparing here in Muscat. It's a Muscat, and the stage where the stage located, that one, and this is the Opera House. So very beautiful. Side and check the event. Pasok tayo sa event sa backstage lobby.
Hello, Lee! Ay, ang ganda ko dyan.
Emily. And ayan ang stage guys. So ayan yung stage mamaya. Ayan. Pasok tayo sa likod, backstage. Sa backstage for the event. Ayan na sila. So ito na yung mga class. Yan yung mga model.
Yeah.
Sama na.
Jason collection. I think this headband for brown must.
That's all the model. Si Blessing, Lucena City.
Talaga nasa ano ka?
Kababayan, Lucena City.
Makikita ka niya, no? Ay, paano ko rin ako yan?
Thank you, madam. This is what you wear in the shop? Yes. Karalin ka?
So, we are now here inside preparing for the fashion week. Yan ang mga model. Last tayo, paano tayo makakauwi? Ayan na. We are now preparing and ready to walk. Stage. Ayan ang stage guys. Backside, later we will see the show. Now the show will start soon. Puro na ng tao guys. So umpisa na ang fashion Muscat Fashion Week. Yan yung stage. Balik tayo sa loob. waiting for our time for the fashion show because we still on the last show for the Muscat Fashion Week. But the models now ready, so they are all in ready now.
Sa labas, video mo sa labas.
Video ako lang.
Sa labas, hindi yun lang sa labas, view lang.
And we are waiting for our turn.
Video na yan.
Diba? Tumaas na sa kanya.
Ha? Ano na?
The show is finished. So we are now done, guys, for the fashion show on the Opera House. Ito na ang aming mga damit. Shoop. Tapos na ang